Hiding the other name from WordPress posts can be done through theme options, plugins, or custom CSS. Here's how you can achieve it. Check theme options. Some WordPress themes include an option to hide the other name. Go to Appearance, Customize. Look for options under Post Settings or Blog Settings to hide the other. Save the changes and check your posts. Use a plugin. Install a plugin like Hide or Remove Metadata or WP Meta and Date Remover. After activation, go to the plugin settings. Enable the option to hide the other name and apply the settings. This method is user-friendly and doesn't require coding. Use custom CSS. If no built-in options or plugins are suitable, you can hide the other with CSS. Go to Appearance, Customize, Additional CSS. Add the following code. Adjust the class names if your theme uses different selectors. Modify theme files. Edit the single.php or content.php file of your theme. Locate and remove the PHP code displaying the other.